Good morning, everybody. It is Monday, and it is Monday afternoon, and I'm having a late start. I just took a shower, just washed my hair, and I'm sitting here at my vanity, and I just wanted to show you guys. My mom keeps asking me if I have been opening up this advent calendar, and I wanted to take a picture of it and put it on my Instagram, but you see how it's so hard to get a good picture of it because of the metallics of it all. But anyhow, I want to share with you guys what I have got. I think there was one vlog where I shared one thing. This is actually really neat because it's going to give me a chance to try some things that I have not tried. So I think that's really neat. Take my glasses off here. I can see better sometimes without them. So well, no, that wasn't the first thing. The first thing I got was these tweezers. Everybody can use a new pair of tweezers. Brow gel, which is neat. I've never used it before. I'm going to give that a go. Let's see. We have I think the next one was the liquid liner. I have never used liquid liner before. Also that I got. What was the other one? I don't even remember now. I don't know. Waterproof eyeliner pencil. Okay, so we got liquid liner, eyeliner pencil, brow pencil. Okay, I've got this now. And then a pigmented sparkle, which I'm assuming is for your eyes or wherever you would like to put it. But it's a very pretty bronzy color. Almost matches my fingernail polish I have on already currently. So it's one of my favorite kind of shades. Is that not the prettiest thing? Anyways, I might put a little bit of this stuff on for the Christmas party and things that I've got going on here coming up. I'm not putting any makeup on today because let me stretch you around. Oh goodness, this is ugly. I'm not putting any makeup on today because we have the first official Christmas broadcast tonight, and so I washed my hair. I need to get it brushed before it gets really good and tangled, and I left my brush downstairs. So I'm in my guest room. Anyhow, I am going to brush my hair out and go downstairs and start fixing something to eat because my sugar has just went down terrible. I wanted to share a favorites video, but I think I'm actually going to make it vlog style for you guys. You see this hideous wallpaper from the 80s? There's every turn in this house. It's really, really old, and you're going to see things that need to be done. But anyways, I wanted to share some of my favorites with you, but I think I'm just going to do it in this vlog, just kind of walk you through when I come on something that I know is my favorite. The first thing I'm going to show you is these silk hair scrunchies. I was having a time wearing my hair in a bun on the top of my head because when I would take my scrunchie out, it would literally pull my hair out with it, and it was doing some damage to my hair. Of course, that's when I had the blonde highlights, which I've gone away with. But since I've gone to silk scrunchies, it has been amazing. And I just want to say I got these from the Dollar Tree. I seen that they had some more. They don't have a large variety of colors, but for somebody who has long hair and you might want to buy them something small or a stocking stuffer, the silk scrunchies are really amazing. I've only got 2, and I'll probably buy me a few more because they work that good. The other thing that I wanted to share with you guys while I'm sitting here at my vanity, and I haven't put these in yet. See if I can zoom in. There we go. These are my new earrings that I got from Sally's Beauty Supply. These are the surgical steel. I actually had these in my ears for 4 days and never ever removed them. So they are fantastic. They don't itch my ears. They don't irritate my ears. And they have a lot of really pretty stones to choose from. Even dangly ones, which I could have went with, but I didn't. I went with more of a just a stud, because that's kind of my style at the moment. I have tons and tons of jewelry, so like, and I love jewelry. I'm not knocking it. You want to send me jewelry, I'll take it. But for every day and like going to the gym and everything, I just love my little ones. And these are the star ones. Stars are really, really hard to get, and they're very picked over because a lot of people like the star. So yes, also too, another favorite of mine that I wanted to share, and I'm going to bring it up here, are all my Sally Hansen gel nail polish. I don't buy any other polish other than this because it coats my fingernails phenomenal. It stays on my nails for a week and I don't have to change it. I strictly change it because I get sick of the color. I do put a clear coat on top of it that comes from Sally's Beauty Supply, but all of, even my wedding nail polish, let's see if I can find it. Was it this one? I don't know. I think it was a lighter one than that. Let me see. Is it this one? I'm thinking it might have been this one. It was a lighter color. Or it may have been, I don't know. But this one, I think, is my favorite. There's a lot of them. Some of these are older and you can't get the colors anymore. But I did want to share that. If you know somebody who loves nail polish, I really recommend the Sally Hansen. For one thing, that I have found, just a little secret, that if you go with more of the metallic, you cannot see the imperfections, because I'm visually impaired and obviously I make little, you know, imperfections when I do it. It's not perfected. I do have some solids in here though that are not a shimmery, but I go for the shimmery a lot because you cannot see the imperfections. So I thought I would just tell you guys that if you guys are looking into polishing your nails, that is really, really good. The other thing that I wanted to share with you that is here is this warm cinnamon spray. It's a house spray for Christmas time. I bought this at, I think I took the price off of it. Yeah, I did. I bought this from Big Lots. And it is so, so good. Like, I have really enjoyed it. Especially used it when I got company. Like, when I knew they were coming, I just kind of ran through the house with it. And the whole house smelled like Christmas and like holidays. And it was wonderful. But anyways, I'm going to get my hair brushed. I'm going to put my earrings in. Go downstairs and fix some lunch today. Yesterday, I didn't film at all. I just wasn't feeling it. I was so exhausted. You can see my laundry is on my bed behind me. I just was not feeling it, and I was just super, super tired. And so I've just kind of made it a rule not to film at all on Sundays. I hope that's okay with you guys, just to have one day a week that I'm not picking up the camera to kind of reboot for the week. I am a terrible, terrible migraine sufferer. So this in a nutshell, I woke up yesterday with a terrible migraine headache and just felt like I was on overload and just took Sunday off. So I'm just going to make it a rule just not to pick up the camera on a Sunday. We go to church and stuff on Sunday anyways, and so, you know, it's probably for the best. But I did get a little snippet yesterday, and I'm going to insert it here. Yesterday, I made breakfast burritos for us. They were fantastic. They were easy, and I did do just a little snippet of a video yesterday, and I'm going to share it with you guys right here in this video, and we'll get on with our day. Good morning. It is Sunday morning, and I am making breakfast burritos. I'm going to turn this light on. I don't know how much it'll help, but I'm making Ronnie's burritos up. We have eggs, sausage, hash browns right there, hot salsa, cheese, and my tortillas. And I'm getting them wrapped, and that's what we're having for breakfast. If there's anything left over, I will freeze these, and that way we can just pop them in the oven or the microwave and we will have them. But it's going to be good. Okay, before I leave my vanity, I do want to share this with you guys. For a wedding present, my mother, she paints and she does really good job. I totally did not inherit any of those gifts at all, because I can't even, my handwriting even is terrible. But hers is superlative. And anyways, she painted this for Roddy and I for our wedding. And I want to hang it downstairs, but I just don't have the perfect place for it yet. And I just do not want it to get broken. So I'm not going to hang it this year, but it is here in my guest room. And I just wanted to show you guys how cute this is. It's so adorable. And you can see that she signed it. Elaine. That's my mom. But is that not the cutest thing ever? And that obviously is Ronnie, and that is me. And we definitely fit. We fit this very well. So thanks, Mom, if you're watching. This will always be cherished. Since I'm sharing with you my favorites, I wanted to share with you these pajamas. I know you've seen them when I bought them if you watch my haul, but they come from Walmart. This is the third time I've washed them. They wash perfectly. They are the perfect thickness. They're not too heavy. They're not too light. They are very inexpensive. And so you can see here the name brand. Hopefully it'll come up. There we go. And I like to buy my pajamas really big, because I like them to be very baggy on me. I don't like a loose fitting pajama. But this print is so super cute. It comes with the pants, of course. And it has those cuffed bottoms, so they're not too long, so you can still have them baggy without them dragging the floor, which is nice. It has the elastic waistband, so you can pull them up as high as you like, or however you like to wear them. They are just so soft and so cute, and I really recommend these for somebody for Christmas if they're needing a pair of nice PJs. So I just thought I would check in real quick. We just ate. We had a ham sandwich and some potato salad. Yeah, we had potato salad. Talked to his dad on the phone for a minute. Talked to his cousin Stacy on the phone for a minute. So hi, Stacy. She says she's been watching my vlogs. So anyways, we just got done eating, and now I'm going to sit here for a little while and work on tonight's, I know I'm crooked, work on tonight's broadcast material for this evening. We read like a few scriptures and sing, so I'm going to have to get his Christmas music out. It's upstairs and it's packed away, so I'm going to have to get it out, because this is the first broadcast of Christmas. Letting my hair dry naturally, and I finally got it combed out, and I'm just sitting here sipping an iced tea and keeping it warm. I've got a blanket laying over my lap. It is really, the weather outside has shifted a little bit. It's actually gotten kind of chilly. I don't know if you can tell by the window, but it is light outside, but it is super dark in here. So yeah, nice rainy, gloomy day, but we're going to stay warm, and I'm going to get started on my broadcast stuff. Hello, everyone. We just did our first Christmas live broadcast with my husband.
Kind of a preview of what's coming, because, you know, Christmas is right on top of us, and it'll be here sooner than you think.
He did not waste any time getting his clothes changed. Notice, I'm still dressed for the broadcast, and he's already in jogging pants and sweatshirt, just like that.
Dressed up for the
30
time.
seconds.
When it's over, it's time to get off of there.
Well, we did really, really well. He sang 4 songs. I shared. It went really nice. We do it every Monday, 7 o'clock. And we have a page on Facebook called Ron and Heidi's Ministry. So if you're into gospel music and you like scriptures and things like that and a good share, it lasts for about 40 minutes tonight, which is a little tiny bit shorter than we usually go, but we're trying to be courteous to those that, you know, have things to do for, you know, holidays.
Into it or not into it, click on over there, and I guarantee you, You'll be into it.
Everybody's into Ronnie anyways. Everybody's into Ronnie. Anyways, I just wanted to show you I'm wearing a pair of my earrings I haven't wore yet. Wore them tonight for the first broadcast for Christmas. Really like them. Got a little dressied up in this black sweater like blouse. Kind of got a little dressied up. So, he had on a black shirt, dress shirt, and a red sweater vest. He was very fine looking.
Oh,
and yes, and he looked so nice. And then just like that, when we shut the camera off, it just was all over. What happened to you?
Well, I was sweating.
It's easy to do. When you get to singing and entertaining, you just work up a sweat. It's just the way it is. It's like written in stone that that's what happens next. I don't know what we're going to get into tonight.
I do.
Dallas. Well, it is finally time to go to bed. You guys are not going to believe this, but we finished all of Dallas. And
I don't know what we're going to do.
now we have nothing to do with our lives.
I guess we'll watch Little House on the Prairie next.
Well, we did watch the first episode of the newest Dallas, which, when did it come out? 2001?
No, that's 2012. That's on Tubi TV. The Tubi TV app.
Well, anyways, we watched the first episode of it. I seen a little bit of it when it came out. It's actually, to me, I thought it was pretty good. So we'll probably continue watching that because it's kind of interesting. And it's kind of funny to see all the actors and actresses, how they look in this new, new series of Dallas. Anyhow, tomorrow we're going to get up and hit the pool. It's going to be a whopping 36 degrees when we get up in the morning. Nothing says pool like 36 degrees. Ronnie, are you sure this is safe?
Actually, it's going to be 24 degrees.
24 degrees?
Yeah, but by the time we leave, it'll be 32.
Oh, gosh. Anyhow, we're going to go to the gym tomorrow. I haven't been to the gym in a long time, and I told Ronnie no matter what I have on my list that needs to be done here.
I'm sure we can send him a Vlogmas tomorrow.
A what?
To the gym. A Vlogmas video.
A what video?
Vlogmas, that's right.
Vlogmas,
Yeah.
with a V. He's getting used to all the YouTube terminology. Anyhow, I've got my comfy jammies on. I'm headed to bed. I'll be sharing some more favorites coming up in my vlogs. I thought instead of just making like a favorites video, I just kind of, whenever I come across something that I use, I will share it with you guys. And because I know a lot of you guys like to see some of the products and things that I am using currently. So hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of those things. We had a nice day, a great broadcast, and it was a pretty productive Monday. So we will see you tomorrow, and we will talk to you then. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, and always, always comment. Because I read all the comments, and I read them to Ronnie. Don't I, babe?
Oh, yeah.
So that we can share together what you guys think. Some of you guys love to joke and kid around, and we love it. So thank you so much for those comments, and we will be seeing you all again soon. Good night, guys.